Hi guys, this is Amber Robinson, and the author of Piano Lessons for Kids, and I saw that you guys want a preview, so I thought that would be fun to hop on and do that. The top we have 168 pages. It's jam-packed. It will last either a semester or school year, depending if your kids want to do it once a week or multiple times a week. This will be updated to young beginners on the Amazon page. So this is the My Song selection. This is a classical orchestral section where they're moving to music. Got performance songs, the important folk songs and classical songs. Songs that use their imagination, and we're very big into story, making up stories with the songs. How would that actually sound? Holiday songs and composing. And composing super important. I love the artwork. Very, very fun. This is really important to have the audio and video tracks, so make sure that you follow the download instructions. It helps the kids be a little bit more self-sufficient as they are learning. The teacher's note, if the music theory and the technique and like how I put that together is important, you can see the different influences that have influenced this book. Music learning, the actual very clear sequenced map about how we do that, that's really, really important to me. That the kids don't have gaps in their knowledge and they're doing it in the right order to keep it fun and exciting, but still very, very good way to learn. I'm going to skip through. We have a fun poem at the beginning. Oops. About how like we're going to use our imaginations to just see sounds, which I know we can't really see a sound, but they're pretending that they're superheroes and they have supersonic hearing, and what would those different sounds sound like? So this is just a fun poem to get kids thinking about the difference of the sounds around them. Let me skip forward so this video isn't too long. The kids are moving to music, to that orchestral classical song. They're moving to like an aquarium, a cuckoo. Some of these pictures are amazing. There's a speaking and a singing section where they're going to kind of chant with rhythms, some folk songs, and then they're going to end up singing those. They sing Twinkle Little Star, Mary Had a Little Lamb, some of those things, but I'm skipping to how they're sitting at the piano. The video is really important here. Technique at the piano, what we're doing with our fingers. This one's a fun video where the kids, you're going to see actually some of my students with me opening the piano, learning how the piano works with the hammers and strings. Some steady beats. They're going to see notation, but we're not going to call it anything yet because they're just going to see it. Tapping, drumming, conducting, marching to the steady beat. Skipping ahead. They're performing. That one's a really fun one. Skipping ahead again. We got finger numbers. This one we have some technique videos which are really good. Okay. They work on some high, middle, and low. Skipping ahead to some notes now. They're going to use the whole entire keyboard. We have a video with some little colored animal erasers where they use the whole entire keyboard. So the pattern is they learn the notes, then they learn the song. Slowly adding more notes, they would have C and D and eventually C, D, E. They learn the notes for some rhythms. Then they play the corresponding song that goes with them. Eventually they would do the same thing for the other notes. Eventually we get to something where you're actually seeing what is that something that's more familiar to you, where you're seeing it on the staff. So the kids have sung this song way, way, way earlier, and now they're getting to play it. So I'm going to take you through some of these. I like that they're doing really famous songs. We got some composing pages. Let me skip again because they're moving again to music. The holiday song section. This one's an advanced one. The little ones may have a little bit of difficulty with this. They can watch the video a few times, but I kept this in here in case you did have like an 8, 9, 10-year-old that needed a challenge song at the end. And some blank staff paper. So thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully that preview helped. I'm very excited about the book, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it too. Thank you.